Hey guys, how's it going again? Just another update. Today's another day, and just wanted to show you my system. And in the previous video or clip you just saw, I only made like 19 point something kilowatts here, and I think almost 4 here. And you can see the difference when I have my family over. I have a lot of family and in-laws and soon-to-be in-laws and stuff, and look at the difference. We're not fully charged. We're actually only at like 50%, maybe. Might more be like 40%. They're cooking on electricity all day, and ACs were running. The pool pumps was running. That's a couple horsepower pump. The thing takes like 1,000 watts. Continuous. That ran for about 8 or 9 hours today. I think 8 hours. Yeah, 8 hours, because I unplugged it a while ago now. And there you have it. We almost got 30 kilowatts. So that's 29, about 29 kilowatts between the two, and that's with only 6,000 watts of solar panels hooked up. They're facing all kinds of different directions, so I don't get a whole ton at one time. I get between the two about 4,000 watts coming in. Yeah, I got a little charger, trickle charging all these batteries for my parents. I got all these to hook up still. And I got a little teaser. I got something else coming soon. I'm gonna make a video of that. Maybe tomorrow. If not tomorrow, it'll be Monday. But everything's just working great. Amazing. So, anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Soon we're gonna have to give that thing a test and make a video about it. I have not used it yet at all. I want to see what kind of capabilities it has, because it has 240. I can put 240 into here to charge my batteries, but we'll see. Gotta make it. I need another transfer switch and a breaker, which I have, and that's going to go up 100 amp. Anyways, other than that, I haven't done much to the system. I only have one more BMS, so I'm gonna hook up those 4, give myself an extra about 5 kilowatts, and then I honestly I've forgotten how many kilowatts I have. I have like, I think 30 or 35 kilowatts hooked up now, and that'll bring me up to either 35 or 40. I can't remember. That's rated too. This is rated. I don't know what I actually have. Eventually I'm gonna do a discharge test with my Victron energy monitor. I'm going to reset it. When it's fully charged, I'm just going to discharge everything and just see. I'm curious. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. See you later. Got some off-grid coffee maker action going. The Keurig. Just doing some camping at the grandparents' cottage. Now, on the portable LiPo box, 3,000 watt reliable inverter, we are defrosting some bacon. Works pretty good. Just made coffee. Still sitting at under the load 58 volts. When the load comes off, I'm back up to about 60. Yeah, it works pretty good. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. How's it going, guys? We're pulling 4.4 kilowatts out of the solar system. We got 70 amps coming out of the. That's super inaccurate. This amp reading. I find at these higher voltages, this amp reading just goes out the window. So don't do the calculations. It's not gonna work. But this is still accurate. This is the load between my reliable 8,000 watt inverter and the MagnaSign. This is another thing. I'm running off solar right now. I'm running this charger, so I'm pulling about 400 watts, and those chargers aren't completely efficient, so probably wasting about 50 to 100 watts, because these things are hot, and the second something's hot means you're losing power. So there's a large load there. Going into the power room. I don't know if I showed you this yet, but I'm moving these out. My parents are slowly taking them. And I got all of these batteries getting ready to hook up, but the problem is only got one BMS board. Dang it. I thought I had more, but I just been using them and I forgot to replenish my stock, so I just bought another 10. I've been trying to get a hold of Batrium, see if they'll cut me a little deal on their BMS system, but because they're so freaking expensive. Like to BMS this whole thing, I'd be looking at like 1,500 bucks at least. So yeah, not spending that. Just buy a couple more of these $20 things. 20 bucks. So look, 20 bucks, 20 bucks, 20 bucks, 20 bucks, 20 bucks, 20 bucks. Higher 20. 140, 160, 180. There you go. I just BMS my system for $180. And I'm actually being extremely light on these. I could double them up. I could take all these batteries and put it on just this one, because they're working so well. Or maybe they're working so well because I'm not overtasking them. I don't know. But they're cheap, they work, and they have lights. For when something goes out of balance, at least I have lights. And I have a camera. And when I'm away for a while, I just look at my system to see if I see any lights. Then I can always call somebody to come shut the system down or whatever. Anyways, that's what I got going. I got a little charger there, maintenance charger just for these until my parents come and get the rest of them. Nissan Leaf battery's been doing amazing. So of these Ford batteries, well, they're not Ford batteries, they're actually LG batteries, but at least I think they're LG batteries. I actually have not found anything on them anywhere. They're heavy as can be though. These are about, I think, 1.2 kilowatts each. I got 3 more there. I got 3 of the half-sized. One full over there. That one was slightly bulged, so I took that one out. I'm going to use that for a different project. Chevy Volt battery is still good. I have it every cell charged to 4 volts right now. It's just sitting here because this is a 12S and I can't really use it with the system. So when I get some time, I don't know when, but I'm rewiring this whole thing. I'm getting rid of these BMS boards, so if anybody wants a really good 12S BMS board with Bluetooth capability and all that good stuff, I got 4 of them. I'll let them go for probably half of what I paid for them. Up to you. Anyways, these are the Bluetooth modules that plug in. That works pretty good. I'm gonna rewire all this. It's going to a 16S configuration. I like the higher voltage myself. Either that, or I'm gonna save this because I've been looking into buying an older Nissan Leaf, and this has the exact same number of cells as a Nissan Leaf, so I'd be adding another 16 kilowatts. This would just be in the trunk. I'd have to come up with a BMS system, and yeah, that's a future video. If I ever buy one, that is. Yeah, everything's working good. Have not started any of the water cooling. I've been way too busy. So, it's summertime. I'm a framer. That's what happens. You get busy. So it's gonna have to wait. Unfortunately, I don't make enough money off YouTube. Oh, what do I keep kicking? I keep kicking this thing here. Sorry. Anyways, yeah, we're gonna have to wait for that. But in the meantime, this one's been working amazing. I have another 8,000 watt inverter there that works good. If I could get this one working, it's just some wires and stuff. Throw that over there. That would be insane. I'd have 3, which would be crazy. What else? I think that's about all. What are you guys thinking? I'm thinking I'm about to hit 7,000 subscribers, and when I do, I'm thinking either to, pretty sure this still works. I haven't turned it on in, I don't know, a year, maybe 2 years. A year, I think a year. I'm either going to give this one away, or I'm going to give the Frankenstein inverter away that I repaired. Can't give batteries away, sorry. Shipping is crazy. That is more like a 1,500 watt inverter now. Can't output 3,000 watts since I repaired it. This one, though, has worked flawlessly since I bought it. And it's a power jack, power crap, whatever you want to say. But this one, the second I bought it, I took it apart. The FETs were twisted, and the the things clamping them were all screwed up. Like this was destined for failure. I fixed it before all that, and it's been okay. It's produced, I think it says it's produced 1,200 and some odd kilowatts. It's put into my house when I owned it. All you do, it's island protected, all that good stuff. Just plug it into your wall, put solar panels on that side. I believe it's, there we go, 28 to 48 volt input. So standard 72 cell solar panel works just fine with it. That might be a giveaway. We'll see. It's got a fuse on the front. Anyways, the most I've ever seen come out of this thing, I believe, was 900 watts, and that was like in the winter. It was really cold. Everything was perfect. But yeah, I got another Hyundai Sonata battery coming, so that means I'm gonna have 5 now. So if anybody's interested in Hyundai Sonata batteries, they're 150 bucks each. I want to keep a couple, but now that I have 5, I'll probably be willing to let 2 or 3 full batteries go. So I believe they're 1.5 kilowatts each. So do the math. There you go. You could have 4.5 kilowatts. It's a bit of work, not gonna lie. A lot of BMS wires to deal with, and then you've got to buy one of these. I'd say for 3 batteries, one of these would do. But if you want to pull a bunch of current, you need one of these per battery. So these can do 30 amps each. So if you want to pull 90 amps at 60 volts, you need 3 of these. They're 20 bucks each. Everything's been working good. What have we made today? We weren't pulling a whole lot of power. My wife wasn't at home. So we only made 18.9 kilowatts there and 3.9 kilowatts here. And the system is it just works. It's been solid. Nothing's gone wrong. This thing has been kicking along nicely. This thing's been kicking along nicely. I really like it. I really want to get another one of these. Maybe I can convince Magnusign to send me one at half price. That'd be cool. Anyways, thanks a lot for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video.